कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय वंशाकल्पतरुकृपा सिन्धुवैव च पतितानां वैष्णवेभ्यो तो मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म ये कलीला वैष्णव विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत भगवान गोस्वामी एवं नित्यलीला विष्णु विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत भगवान गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला विष्णु विष्णु भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव विष्णु के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ दंडवत प्रणाम करता हूँ। षष्ठयाम साधन सायंकालीन लीला को हम लोग समाप्त किया। अभी सप्तम याम साधन प्रदोषकालीन भजन विप्रलम्भ
Hare Krishna. So we have heard about the 6th Yam Sadhan, which we have already finished. So now we are entering into the 7th Yam Sadhan. Please check, am I audible to you? Hare Krishna. So Sriman Mahaprabhu is very nicely he discussing with Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramanand. So the Saptam Yam, Mahaprabhu is saying, so this is the 7th slok of Sishtashtak. O Sakhi, in separation from Govind, even a moment seems like a millennium to me. Tears pour from my eyes like torrents of rain in the monsoon season, and this entire world seems void to me.
गोविंद विरहे सुन्ना होइल त्रिभुवन उषानले परिजन न जाय।
So at the stage of separation, in the love there are two kinds of things. One is meeting and second is separation. So Sriman Mahaprabhu is observed in Shri Radha's feeling of intense separation from Shri Krishna. He says, "Hey Sakhi, in my distress without Shri Nandanandan, my days stand still. Each and every moment seems like an entire millennium. Just like tears flow incessantly from my eyes like torrents of rain from the clouds. I cannot tolerate the separation from Govind anymore. Whole world is the entire universe appears void and my body constantly burns in the fire of separation from him, and it is as if my limbs have been placed in a fire of burning husks, but still my life air does not leave me. What shall I do now?" So both Purvarag, attachment prior to meeting one's beloved. What is Purvarag? So the time which is before meeting, that is called Purvarag. So there is too much eagerness to meet each other, that is called Purvarag.
इस जगत में पूर्वराग की शास्त्र में लिखा गया। नाट्य शास्त्र है।
In this world, Purva Shastra is showing in the Natya Shastra.
इस जगत में जो नायक नायिका के मिलन आदि
So in this
जाति
world,
बनाए
we
हैं।
have seen the meeting of material hero and heroines,
और अपराधिक जगत में
but in the transcendental world, the meeting and separation, there is a too much difference in that, both of them.
वास्तव है, एक नहीं है, विशेष वैशिष्ट्य दिखाई। इस जगत में जो विरह व पूर्वराग जिसको हम कहते जा रहे
So in this words, the separation mode we are saying, or Pururag we are saying,
मिलन के बाद भी
so after meeting,
पूर्वराग रहता है। क्यों?
Pururag stays there. Why?
ना कृष्ण की एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य है, सदा सर्वदा नवनवान
Krishna has a specialty that he always be in a youthful form.
नवनवान रूप
Youthful,
एवर फ्रेश।
always ever fresh, youthful form.
इस जगत में ये शब्द के द्वारा ये शब्द व्यवहार नहीं होता।
Yes, in this word, we cannot use this word.
इस जगत में
In this word,
वास्तव रूप में
actually,
जो एक ही इस जगत में जो चार काल जो हम वर्णन करते हैं।
so there is three kal we are talking about:
वर्तमान,
Vartman, present,
भविष्य और भूतकाल,
future, and the past.
तीन काल।
So there are three kinds of times are here:
किंतु
past, present, and future. But in the transcendental world, there is one kal, one time is always remains. That is present kal, present time. It always stays every time.
जो है नित्य वर्तमान काल रहता है।
That is called Nitya Vartaman Kal,
इस जगत में
eternal present time.
वर्तमान नहीं होता है।
In this world, there is no present.
हम तो कहते हैं
We used to say Vartaman, the present time, but actually there is no present time in this world. So once we said present time, so after even one moment it goes away. So the arms of the the clock,
एक सेकंड के लिए ही रुकती नहीं।
they never stop for a second. The watch never
वो
stops for a second. Can you check the sound? If there is any complaint of sound?
तो इसलिए इस जगत में यदि
So that's why in this world, in a very deep way, if we think,
इस जगत में भी वर्तमान काल नहीं,
there is no use of present time. No word is like present time.
नहीं तो अतीत काल।
Something is present or something is past or future. Not present is not here.
इस जगत में
But in the transcendental world,
उसमें नित्य वर्तमान काल
always there, present time remains. Present time remains there always.
नित्य वर्तमान काल, प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट टेंस,
Present indefinite time. Nitya Vartaman.
क्योंकि
Because
कृष्ण के एक विशेष जो रूप माधुर्य आदि वो सदा सर्वदा नवनयन रूप में प्रतीत होता है।
so Krishna's youthful form always remains same. That's why with the Krishnas, so whatever the gopis meeting with Krishna there, this is eternal.
यहाँ पर जो कहते हैं
Here we are saying Purvarag.
जो है मिलन के पूर्व,
So Purvarag means, what is Purva? Attachment prior to meeting one's beloved.
गाढ़ भाव से
And Pravas is separation by distance.
श्री कृष्ण के रूप गुण आदि का प्रशंसा सुनकर नाना प्रकार के भावों की उद्दीपना होती है।
So hearing the glories of his from the gopis, qualities and forth, many types of sentiments are stimulated in their hearts, and astonishing impatience, which is called Vyagrata, arises that is impossible to describe.
ये पूर्वराग की एक विशेष
So this is a speciality and of Purvarag in that transcendental world.
जैसे कोई
Just
ने
like
देखा ही नहीं
we have never seen like,
और उसकी कथा सुनकर के
and if we heard the glories of that and we develop
हृदय में जो अनुराग उत्पन्न होता
anurag in our heart,
है, उस व्यग्रता रसरस के जीवन पूर्वराग कहते हैं। इस पूर्वराज की दशा में लालसा, उद्वेग, जागरण आदि नाना प्रकार के संचारी भावों का उद्गम होता है।
So various sanchari bhavs arise, such as longing, which is called lalsa, anxiety, which is called udveg, and the sleeplessness, which is called jagran.
जिसके पूर्वराज कहाँ से शुरू हुआ?
So Pururag is starting from where? From Venugit. Pururag is starting from Venugit.
तो इस समस्त जो है वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं।
So this is all described here.
अपराजित जगत में
Because in the transcendental world,
कृष्ण के प्रति
gopis,
जो नित्य जो एक संबंध है,
they have an eternal relationship with Krishna, just like
पहले भी कहा था,
we have already told you,
किया था शास्त्र में,
and we have heard already in the scriptures,
कि
that
अपराजित जगत में
in the transcendental world,
जो कृष्ण के प्रति गोपियों के साथ जो एक नित्य संबंध है,
Krishna has an eternal relationship with gopis.
प्रेम की उत्पत्ति के बारे में यद्यपि शास्त्र में अनेकों प्रकार कारण दर्शाया,
So there are many reasons of origin of love in the scriptures, but
प्रेम की कारण कोई नहीं है।
there is no cause of developing love with Krishna for gopis, because if there is cause,
हेतु होने से वो प्रेम की माधुर्यता नहीं रहा।
so if there is cause, so that is not the madhurata of love.
इस जगत में
In this world,
जो एक युवक युवती जो प्रेम
when one boy and girls, they are meeting and developing love each other,
किंतु अपराजित
that is there is a cause of love, but causeless love, that is. So in the transcendental world, the gopis is loving to Krishna, that is cause-like, just like being a human form is presenting all the leelas. So as just because Jiva Goswami Pad is saying here, Mother Yashoda tied the Bal Gopal by the rope.
उस समय कृष्ण कितने साल के थे?
So Krishna was 2.5 years old that time.
2.5 साल के 3 साल तक थे, छोटा बालक।
He was just a little boy at that time.
तो उसमें कृष्ण के जब रस्सी के द्वारा माँ
So when Krishna was tied by the rope by Mother Yashoda,
विवशता,
so we have seen
असहाय होकर के,
Krishna was so much helpless this time,
असहाय होकर के
being so much helpless.
उनके मुख में जो क्या बोलते हैं निश्चितता अपने कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे।
So he was feeling so much helpless when Mother Yashoda was tying him,
इतने कृष्ण के हृदय में इतने दुख देख कर
and Krishna feeling so much sorrow in his heart. So seeing that little gopis, they have developed a pragad anurag, a deep love towards Krishna.
हमारे हृदय में जो किसी के प्रति जो अनुराग उत्पन्न होता है,
If we have developed something anurag in our heart for seeing someone, so that is compassion, not love. That is called compassion.
कब होता है?
When we get that compassion feelings, if we are seeing someone who is suffering and he is in sorrow, so we feel so much pity that time. So that is compassion. So seeing somebody's sorrow, so whatever, if our heart is melting that time, that is compassion, daya. So Krishna, in this way,
निस्सहाय और
he was pretending himself so much helpless,
भाव को देखकर
and seeing these kinds of feelings of Krishna, Gopias develop.
दयाद्र भाव होता
So Gopias develop the compassion in their hearts. So at that same day,
है। कृष्ण के साथ गोपियों के साथ प्रेम की एक उद्रेक
so love is manifested in the hearts of gopis, seeing that scenario,
लीला आदि होती है।
because this is the Bhagavad Leela.
यद्यपि कृष्ण गोपियों की जो प्रेम
Even
जो है,
Krishna's and gopis
स्वाभाविक
love is eternal,
है, क्या बता है? स्वाभाविक और
which is spontaneous. There is no cause, which is spontaneous and eternal.
कुब्जा अथवा रुक्मिणी आदि के प्रेम के बारे में हम लोग श्रवण किया।
We have heard about Kubja's and Rukmani's love.
दर्शन प्रेम हो
One
गया,
is Darshan Jati Prem and second is Shravan Jati Prem.
गोपियों की जो प्रेम के बारे में जो
And if we talk about the gopis love, that is
सहजात प्रेम,
Sahajat, Janma Siddha, Sahajat.
जन्म सिद्ध प्रेम,
So this is the Janma Siddha Prem, which is since birth. There is no cause of developing love there.
इसलिए
So that's why
और भी व्याख्या करते हैं जिसे कहता है सामंजस्य एक समर्थारति प्रेम,
so this is also called the Samartharati Prem, Samajasya Prem and Sadharani Prem.
ये जो प्रेम आदि जो दिखा रहे हैं,
So the love, these kinds of love are showing there,
समस्त प्रेम की दिखा जाता है, क्योंकि प्राकृतिक जगत में
because in the transcendental world and the material world, if we compare about that,
समन्वय करते जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि जहाँ पर कृष्ण
because where Krishna,
लोकवत्तु लीला कैवलम,
so where Krishna is performing the Lokvatta Leela, the human Leela,
लोकवत्तु लीला
because Krishna is presenting here Lokvatta Leela, the human being Leela.
संसार में करते हैं मनुष्य के भांति,
So whatever Leela Bhagwan does in this world, this is just like a human being. But in the transcendental world, he is also doing that human Leela, but there is no sadhak is there,
क्या बोलते हैं माने विपरीत पक्ष वाले लोग भी हैं।
and nobody is anti opposite party.
वहीं पर सभी क्या है,
Everybody is favorable for Krishna's Leela. Nobody is opposite there.
लीला के अनुकूल जो है,
Everybody is favorable for Krishna's Leelas. They all everybody resides there like that.
दिखा दीजिए
Even somewhere we have seen the snakes, scorpion.
सब जोगमाया के द्वारा
So, but they all are performing the Leela according to for Krishna's favor.
तिनगुल्म टिकटमुखम दुष्टे समस्मित सर्वानंद मुकुंद दरितम लीलानुकूलम परम शास्त्रीय वस्फुटमिदम निश्चिंतम जानते ब्रह्मादि तत्त्वेन मोदितया वन्दते।
So Raghunath Das Goswami, he is praying like this.
ब्रह्मादि बड़े बड़े देवता
Brahma and other devtas
जिस धूलि के वंदना आदि
who is praying the dust of feet of Krishna.
किंचित तिनगुल्म टिकटमुखम, वहीं पर स्त्रीन आदि जो है,
There one is so much particle of dust that everything is there is favorable for Krishna Leelas.
सभी चित्त स्वरूप है।
Everything is transcendental form there. Everything is Sachidanand form there.
ये जब किंचित तिनगुल्म टिकटमुखम, टिकट माने
Kikat means
जो बिच्छू आदि जो कहा,
the scorpion we used to say. Scorpion, Kikat, scorpion and snakes. There are many kinds of wild animals we have seen or we heard about, even lion also.
वहाँ पर शेर है,
Lion is also favorable for Krishna Leela there.
वहाँ पर भी
Krishna Leela ke anukul.
सर्प भी है,
Even snakes is also there. Lion is also there. Even a scorpion is also there. Spider is also there.
वो
But
सब क्या है,
all are there favorable for Krishna Leelas.
क्योंकि उनके शरीर ही चिदानंदमय शरीर, कृष्णान एक अनुकूलन पर अनुकूल करते हैं, प्रतिकूल कोई वस्तु नहीं रहता है।
Nothing is unfavorable there. Everything is favorable.
लीलाओं की उत्कर्षता बढ़ाने के लिए
So everything is increasing the eagerness of that Leelas.
वहाँ पर जैसे प्रतिकूलता रूप में दिखाई पड़ता है,
Sometimes we see something opposite there, but still
दूसरा जनते हमारे प्रतिकूल
they are favorable for Krishna Leela. Sometimes we have seen in this world the wild animals, they are very attacking.
है,
They are very wild. But in that world, just like monkey we have seen, you used to fear with them or not? Sometimes he attacks on someone, so he can that monkey can snatch something from you, even your specs, your mobile. If you forget to take off your specs, then before opening the doors, before going outside, you have to take off your specs and go out then.
उस जगत में भी बंदर
But
भी है,
in that transcendental monkeys are also there.
किंतु
but
उस जगत में भी ऐसे भी छिनते रहे,
They are also doing this kinds of leela. They can snatch anything.
जो कुछ भी है,
But whatever they are doing, they are snatching or anything. This is favorable for Krishna Leela.
आनंद
for giving the pleasure to that Leela, increasing the pleasure of that Leela. There is nothing is cause there. If you feed something in this material world to monkey, he won't be happy on you. However, moreover, you feed him, he will at last what he will attack on you. Even a little bit, he don't have sympathy towards you. So they are very rascal, dushta. But in the transcendental world, monkeys are also there, but they are not like this. For Krishna's Leela, they are doing this kinds of, for increasing the eagerness of Krishna's Leela, they are doing this kinds of things, activity. So there is Krishna's monkey is also there, which is called Dadilo. His name is Dadilo. So Dadilo, first they used to go at that home, so they smell that what is there. So first they go to that home on the Vrajvasis and they check that what kinds of butter is there, and then they inform to Krishna. It is possible in this world. So if you see monkeys at your home, so what he will do, it will take the butter himself. But in the transcendental world, the monkey's name was Dadilo. What he used to do, first he goes and check butter is okay or not, and then they inform to Krishna. This is the speciality in this material world and the transcendental world. So whatever we are seeing in that material world and this transcendental world, so in the transcendental world, everything is done by the favorable Leela for Krishna. So whatever you are seeing in this world, everything is there in the transcendental world. Even snakes is also there, spider, scorpion, but they don't bite. Every so whatever you are seeing there, everything is there also in the transcendental world. But that is a shadow or opposite things. Whatever you are seeing there, this is a Vikrit, means opposite of that transcendental world. Everything is eternal and transcendental there. That's why it is mentioned in the scriptures, written in the scriptures. This is very deep view. Everything is also there. You will see everything in the form there, because there is a transcendental form. Everything has a transcendental form there. So some people used to explain so much about that, but that all things are transcendental and for favorable for Krishna's Leela. Everything is there. So the katha we were hearing about Purvarag. Purvarag means the time before meeting and before meeting, the time that is called Purvarag. Purvarag, attachment prior to meeting one's beloved, and pravas, separation by distance. So after hearing the glories, there is too much eagerness manifested in the heart. That's why it is said into the Venugit, just like in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami Pad, the first time when he described little bit about gopis, in 21 chapter, 10th canto 21 chapter, he discussed about little bit of gopis. He talked about Sharad Ritu and Vasant Ritu. Then he started the Venugit. So one by one he described all the seasons, Ritu, spring, summer, winter, Basant, Sharad. So after describing all these sessions, he started describing Sharad Ritu, There are 6 kinds of ritus.
ग्रीष्म, वर्षा, शरद, हेमंत, शीत और वसंत। श्रीमद् भागवत
In the Srimad Bhagavatam,
ये समस्त ऋतुओं की विशेष सौंदर्य वर्णन किया है।
this all kinds of session or ritus described there very nicely, because this is Bhagavad Puran Samrat. This is the king of all Purans. This is the essence of all Shastras. This is the conclusion of all Shastras.
श्रीमद् भागवत ऐसे एक अमूल्य ग्रंथ है।
Srimad Bhagavatam is a very valuable granth where all kinds of
क्या बोले
what we say
साहित्य के जो
the scriptures, quality of the scriptures is all also there. Everything is there.
इसलिए श्रीमद् भागवत
So that's why Srimad Bhagavatam,
और अत्यंत सुंदर
all kinds of session and ritus with so many examples and very eloquent words, Bhav Madhurya is described in Srimad Bhagavatam. So that's why all kinds of scriptures, there are many kinds of scriptures, but the essence of all is Srimad Bhagavatam. If somebody develop the ruchi and taste in Srimad Bhagavatam, so there is then no need to study other shastras. Then you won't be desired to read another shastra. Just like somebody he has eaten a topmost sweets. Who haven't eaten the topmost sweets, they will praise the jaggery so much. In the same way, who doesn't have that faith towards Bhagavatam, and or who has get the taste in Srimad Bhagavatam, so they won't study, they won't get taste in any other scriptures. Who will take taste in Puran's Katha until who hasn't developed the faith in Bhagavad Puran? That's why Vyasdev, so after establish or retain all kinds of scriptures, at least what he has written Srimad Bhagavatam. Because it is said, just like at last of the food, what is given to you, that is called sweet. In the Bengal, there is a specialty Karele se. So first they will start with a bitter thing, and at last what they will give you, the very sweet thing. Then they will give you sweets, just like Parmanna, Rasgulla, Sandesh. They will give you like this, and at least first they will start with from the bitter thing like Korela, Neem, and then after that they will give you at least they will give you sweets. So whenever you got the Paramananda, the sweet at least, so nothing they want. It means you should understand that now nothing is going to serve. Everything is over now. But in the Braj is opposite. They will start from the sweets. In the Braj there is opposite. They don't eat so much bitter, because after eating the sweets you would like to take bitter things. No. But this is a process. We should start from the bitter things. We should start from the bitter thing like Karela and Neem. And the rain is coming. It's raining now, little bit. That's why it is saying here, Srimad Bhagavatam, which is called the Nigam Kalpataru. Who can relish the Prema Madhurya of Srimad Bhagavatam? Who are Rasik. So, if somebody get a little taste in Srimad Bhagavatam,
और किसी है?
then there is no need to read or study any kinds of scriptures.
इसलिए श्रीमद् भागवत की द्वादश स्कंद में भी
So that's why in the 12th canto, इधर बैठ जाएंगे गुरुदेव, ये सही है.
वहाँ पे 6:30 हो गया, 5 मिनट तो बोल रहा है, अभी तो उधर उनके कीर्तन शुरू हो जाएगा.
So now it's raining and we have to speak just little 5 or 10 minutes because the kirtan is going to start.
इसलिए कहते हैं जब वैष्णवानां प्रियम.
So it is said Yad Vaishnavanam Priyam.
क्या श्लोक है?
Srimad Bhagavatam Purana Amulam Yad Vaishnavanam Priyam. अरे निगम कल्पतरु ऐसे लग कर, निगम कल्पतरु like something starting from. Anybody knows this shloka?
तो ये जो है
So
इस ग्रंथ में
this is called the Srimad Bhagavatam. Huh?
12 कैंटो में
In the 12th canto Srimad Bhagavatam,
यही बता रहे
this is described that who has developed the taste in Srimad Bhagavatam, so there is no need to read any kinds of scriptures. That's why there are 5 kinds of Raganuga Bhakti in the process of Bhavamai Sadhan, Bhav Sambandhi Sadhan, Bhav Anukul Sadhan and Bhav Aviruddha
साधन और
Pratikul Sadhan.
5 प्रकार.
So there are 5 kinds of sadhan.
पुराण आदि पाठ जो है इसकी क्या कहा जाता है?
So the reading on other scriptures, they are not pratikul, they are not favorable or unfavorable.
पुराण पाठ
If somebody is studying some other Purans or hearing the glories of other Purans,
अनुकूल भी नहीं प्रतिकूल भी नहीं.
this is not favorable or unfavorable. This is neutral. If somebody is study, then okay. Not study, then no problem. Just like feeding cow. जैसे गाय को चारा खिलाना. Just like feeding cow मतलब गाय को चारा वगैरह खिलाना, ये भी कोई वो नहीं ना पार्ट.
जैसे कहा जाता है
Just like this
कथा में रुचि नहीं होता है,
who doesn't have taste in Bhagavad Katha, that is why some hears the glories of other Purans.
जिसमें कहते हैं जैसे पशुओं के जो है
Just like it is said,
करने के लिए 2 वस्तु चाहिए.
for attracting the animals you need 2 things. One, you need source of green grass, so then the animal will come to you, then you can attract him,
उसमें नहीं हो उसके क्या
and then you can catch him, and otherwise there is another way that you can beat that animal.
जो है
So
लोगों की रुचि होता है,
that's why the Puran Kathas,
जिसकी अभी भागवत कथा में रुचि नहीं.
so who are getting the taste in other Purans Katha, who haven't developed the taste in Srimad Bhagavatam.
महालोगों की ज्यादा कथा किसमें रहता है? महाभारत आदि कथा.
So that's why the worldly people so much get interest in Mahabharat.
गरुड़ पुराण आदि सुनाते
They would like to hear and speak about Garud Puran,
लोग पाप कार्य आदि
because the people are doing so much sinful activity. They are doing so much sinful activity that hearing the sinful activity of the people, your goosebumps is
आदि वर्णन है
raise up.
कैसे जी मृत्यु के पश्चात कहाँ कहाँ
So everything is described in the Guru Purana, that after what kind of activity, what kind of result is there.
ज्ञान वैराग्य आदि के
Everything is described.
भोगी लोगों के संसार में भोग चला.
So the person who are so much busy in the sense enjoyment in this material world, so that's why speakers used to speak about Garud Puran,
तो तुम्हारी भी तो ऐसी एक दशा होगा.
that you will get the same stage or
कम
gati.
से कम शशांक वैराग्य करा देते. ऐसे तो वैराग्य नहीं होगा.
You cannot develop the detachment from this world. So hearing and fearing by you can develop a little bit
शरीर जब
a detachment from this world, because after that when your body will be fire into the funeral place,
को रखा जाता
so what happens
धक करके जाता
when the fire burns, when your fire burns into the ashes, when your body burns into the ashes, so seeing that or hearing that katha, you will get little bit of
है
fear in your heart
और वही शरीर
and detachment from your world.
है जलाते जा.
So you have so much affection or love towards this body.
उस मुँह में आज क्या देना पड़ता है?
Now you have given so much feed of that person, so now you have given the fire of that person. You have seen.
जिस मुंह में तुमने इतने भोजन कराया,
So you have feed somebody so much in his mouth.
सुंदर मिठाइयाँ,
You have given us so much beautiful sweets
मिठाई आदि,
and many kinds of things you have given to his mouth. So in the same mouth you are giving the fire now,
अग्नि जला, अग्नि संस्कार होता है।
which is called the in Agni fire crimination.
देखो ऐसे
It is mentioned in the Hindu scriptures.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
So what is the meaning actually?
वैराग्य उत्पादन का।
For what is the reason of all these things? Little bit somebody can get the detachment from these material things.
सजाया
So
है,
the house you have decorated so nicely,
के गान में
this is all Deha Tattva.
इतने सुंदर करके सजाया,
So you have decorated your house very beautifully
ममता दे करके सजाया। मृत्यु
with
के
very
पश्चात
so much
तुम्हारे
affection.
शरीर को जो गृह के बाहर रखा जाए।
So after that what happened? That after that your body will take out from the house.
घर से बाहर रखा
You
जाए।
will be put out from the house.
घर के अंदर नहीं रखेंगे।
No one will put your body into the home. They will put your body out of the
और
house,
उसके ऊपर सफेद कपड़ा
and there is a white cloth will be on
और
your
भी
body.
क्या है? तुम्हारे शरीर जब
When your body
क्या घर के बाहर चला जाएगा,
when your body will go out from the house, so they will wash and very nicely clean the home with the Ganga Jal and everything, because just because of you your house is impious.
है ये सब।
So this kinds of activity is done there.
रही तो साधेर घर वाले है, जिस घर के तुम अपने ममता दे करके सजाया,
So the house you or the home you have made with so much affection,
घर सुना पड़ा है
so now this home is isolated.
आज, और तुमको कैसे ले जाएंगे, कैसे
So how they will carry you from your house?
ऊपर तुम्हारे शरीर के
They will put your body on the sticks and tied you with that,
कोई पालन को
and they will say Ram Nam Satya,
पालन का घर में
tied you with the rope and sticks.
व्यवहार करेंगे, और तुमको जब ले जाएंगे
So who will get the pleasure of your home? Other person, and they will
ऊपर सुला दिया जाएगा,
take you out from the homes, and you will be asleep on the sticks, and you will be tied by the rope, and the 4 person they will carry you
में ले जाकर के फिर
into the funeral place.
हाथ जमीन के ऊपर,
On the 3 hands land your body will be there,
और फिर एक लकड़ी के
and
बीच में तुम्हारा शरीर रखा है।
between the sticks, between the wood your body will be there, and after that they will put fire on you and you will turn to the ashes. Hari Bol.
भोगी लोगों के विराग सुनाते हैं।
So this kinds of katha speakers used to tell for the bhogi person who are so much who are taking so much enjoy in sense gratification.
किंतु किसी के यदि ऐसे भागवत में यदि रस माधुर्य,
But if somebody get a little bit taste in Bhagavatam, so he said that what is the use to hearing about Jnana and Vairagya?
बोले ज्ञान वैराग्य कथा सुन करके हमारे फायदा क्या?
So what is the use to hearing Jnana Vairagya Katha?
इसी रघुनाथ दास
That's why Raghunath Das Goswami is saying
न धर्म
Mana Shiksha,
नित्यम स्त्रीलोक
Na Dharmam, Na Dharmam.
कृष्ण परिचर्या प्रचिर अभी वही करो है। शास्त्र में जो आपको दिया गया
So whatever mentioned in the scriptures, do that only.
नियम और आदि जो कुछ विधान दिया गया,
Whatever the process and the rules and regulations provided, you follow that.
न धर्म
Na adharvam, na
भी
dharma.
करना नहीं, अधर्म भी करना।
Don't do dharma, don't do adharma.
शास्त्र में दोनों चीज है कि विधि निषेध की क्या फायदा क्या?
So what is the use of following that all these things? Na dharmam, na dharmam.
श्रुतियों में वेद उपनिषद में जो कुछ भी
So whatever mentioned in the Shrutis and Ved Upanishad,
सदा सर्वदा
hey man,
राधा गोविंद
you
सेवा
all
परिचर्या करो।
you always serve the Radha Krishna's lotus feet.
इसलिए हम इसी
Are you getting?
भागवत की श्लोक में एक रुचि हो।
So that's why if somebody gets the taste, ruchi of Srimad Bhagavatam, so there is no need to study other scriptures.
भक्तियों के द्वारा श्री कृष्ण के आदर्श का पान करने की वेणु की प्रशंसा श्रीमद् भागवत में आ रही। वेणु व्यक्ति यहाँ पर प्रति पूर्वराग है।
So Venu Gita Katha is also here. Purvarag.
चार प्रकार की है।
There are 4 kinds of separation.
है। आगे जाके विरह की अनेक प्रकार की जो भाव आदि वर्णन है।
Further, there are many kinds of bhav of separation. Bhunta swayam yad avasvitarasam hridaya. So this is the shloka of Bhagavatam, 10th chapter, 10th canto, 21 chapter, 9 shloka. 10.21.9. What pious activities has this flute performed to relish the nectar of Krishna's lips, which is meant for us gopis? He is drinking all the ras and not even leaving us one drop. Sakhi, upon seeing the good fortune of that Venu, the Yamuna, Manasi Ganga and other rivers and ponds manifest the ecstatic symptoms of horripilation in the form of blossoms, lotuses and other flowers. The trees shed tears of love, delighted to have such a descendant in their dynasty, just as noble persons are delighted that a Vaishnav has taken birth in their family. So we will discuss about tomorrow. Vancha kaltarvesha kripa sindhu vevicha patitanam bhavane vaishnavine. So tomorrow we will discuss about the Venu Purvarag. Hare Krishna.